What is up mga Kazuki? Welcome back to my channel. Hindi tayo magmamotovlog ngayon. Kung hindi, tayo ay magta-travel. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Okay guys, so ngayon magche-check-in na tayo. Buti na lang madali na mag-check-in ngayon guys. So everything is self-service. So touch na muna natin screen. Saan ba natin i-scan yung ating boarding pass? Dito ba? There we go. Local time pala is 3 AM dito. Yes. Select all. Continue. So ito na yung tag natin. Tapos na rin tayo sa X-ray. Ngayon pupunta na tayo sa ating gate at mag-antay na tayo ng ating flight doon. Can you believe this guys? So it's 3:45 AM pero bukas yung tindahan dito sa airport. Parang gusto mag-coffee.
3 hours later.
So ayan mga Kazuki, nakikita nyo naman 6 o'clock na. Kanina pa kami rito ng mga 3 AM. Tatlong oras pa kami nag-aantay rito. So 7:30 yung flight namin. Siguro mag-aantay na lang kami sa gate. Tsaka nantok na ako.
1 hour later.
Now it's 6:55 AM and nandito na tayo sa gate. Malapit na tayo mag-board. So they say within about 5 minutes, so exactly 7 o'clock magbo-board na raw kami. So hintay-hintay na lang tayo ng konti guys. Malapit na.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next please.
Alright mga Kazuki, finally we are on board and we are going to take off in a few minutes. Our first layover is in Chicago. We have about 2 hours and 45 minutes of flying time. So anyway, I think we have to turn off our electronics now. So we'll see you guys sa Chicago.
Hours later.
When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Kalalabas ko lang ng airplane. Hahanapin ko naman yung aking gate para sa connecting flight ko for Las Vegas. They're actually boarding now, so late kami lumabas kasi masyadong busy tong airport na to. Parang gusto ko nang tumakbo. Baka maiwan ako ng airplane.
1 minute later.
I made it to my second flight or to my connecting flight going to Las Vegas. I'm ready here on my seat. So let's look over here. Oh my god, you have no idea guys, this airport is so busy. It actually made me run to go to my gate. Napaka-convenient ngayon ng flight ko kasi meron ng wifi on board dito sa aking flight so syempre hindi tayo mag-board, pwede tayong manood ng mga YouTube videos or Netflix ganyan habang nasa air tayo. Ang face mask dito is optional na lang, hindi na required. So kung gusto mag face mask, magsuot ka ng face mask, pero kung ayaw mo, it's okay. So this time pinili ko na lang na huwag magsuot kasi masyadong minsan kasi pag masyadong matagal nakasuot yung mask, di ba masyadong mainit. So yeah, so nag-aantay na lang tayo ng ating lahat ng mga pasahero makaupo para makalis na tayo papunta ng Las Vegas. Wow, it's official. Welcome to Las Vegas. Look at this, guys. Hanggang sa airport, guys, may mga slot machine. Pwede ka mag-gamble dito. Pwede ka maglaro. I'm so excited. I think I've never been so excited before. But syempre, I am so happy to be back over here, visiting my relatives, my friend, and also visiting the state. It's official. Welcome to Las Vegas. Yeah. It's a GoPro.
Oh shit, that's how it goes.
Yeah. Welcome to Las Vegas for me. Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah, what's up, man? Carl. Nice to meet you, man. Are you local or? Cool.
I'm about to head out of town right now.
Nice.
Alright, check it.
Awesome.
But yeah, I came up. Hey, I'm a little slow, but you know what I'm saying. I'm
you know,
schizophrenic, but I
you're
was just
smart,
like,
man. You're smart.
Y'all look tight. Y'all are keeping it real and shit.
All right,
I
man.
came through.
Thank you so much. It's nice meeting you, brother. All right, look at that. He's just being honest. He said he's a stoner, so hey, you know what? I can compete with that, right? Wow, it's amazing. Like, you meet different people here already. We're not even outside of the airport. Mga Kazuki, eto, meron akong surprise sa inyo. Nagrenta ako ng kotse, mga Kazuki. Ito, look, it's a hybrid. It's a 2022 Lexus. I'm so excited, mga Kazuki. Oh my god, this is gonna be a good trip for us. Hold on, I don't know how to open this. The owner said that I can open it with my Turo app. So I don't know, this is my first time. Let's see how to open this.
15 minutes later.
Find and unlock. Almost done. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, technology, mga Kazuki. Wow. Bagong-bago, ang bango. Ayan guys, bagong-bago. Excited na ako.
15 minutes later.
First time, mga Kazuki, Seafood City. Meron tayong Chowking, Red Ribbon at Jollibee dito. Jollibee, guys. Woo! Red Ribbon. At syempre tayo mga Pilipino, hindi talaga nawawala mga karaoke, di ba?
Don't ever leave me.
Guys, galing.
Say you'll never go.
Ang galing! Grabe! Crispy Town, what is this? Tingnan nyo guys, oh, para tayong talaga nasa Pilipinas. Oh my god, I like this. Why can't we have this sa New York or sa Pennsylvania? Kami Seafood City, kung nakikinig kayo, please magtayo naman kayo sa New Jersey, sa New York or sa Pennsylvania ng ganito. I feel like I'm a home. Crispy Town. What is this? Wow, puro crispy stuff, oh. Hindi naman puro fried, oh. Puro putok-batok, guys. Wow. Finally, nakalabas na kami ng airport. Siyempre, gutom na kami. Alam niyo ba kung nasan ako ngayon? Chowking, mga Kazuki. Grabe, okay pala dito sa Seafood City, mga Kazuki. Parang nasa Pilipinas ka talaga. Ayos. Kompleto, may nagkakaraoke. Tapos meron sila mga grocery store talaga na galing lahat ng Pilipinas. Tapos meron sila mga grilled yung mga pagkain natin mga Pinoy. Mamaya na tayo magkwentuhan, guys, at kakain muna kami.
1 minute later.
Tingnan nyo, oh, kung gaano kainit. 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Grabe init dito. Kahit siguro 2 water bottle lang inumin mo, within half an hour dehydrated ka kagad.
Day 2.
What is up mga Kazuki? So it's day 2 ng ating travel vlog. So ngayon nandito kami sa Red Rock Canyon. Ang ganda rito guys, tingnan niyo yung mga rock formation ng bundok dito. Oh. Lahat to I think bato. Tingnan niyo guys, oh, kulay pula pa oh. Tsaka iba talaga ang Nevada guys oh. Kung nakikita nyo yung mga halaman na to, pang cactus yan guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, pulang-pula yung mga bundok dito. Ang ganda. Talagang super magnificent talaga ang Amerika guys. Meron din mga Pilipinong bumibisita rito sa Red Rock Canyon guys. Wow. Talagang kahit saan talaga may Pilipino, di ba guys? Ayos yan mga kababayan, di ba? So ito ang first stop natin. Ano bang pangalan itong first stop na to? Tingnan nga natin. Okay, so ito yung information niya. So ito ang tinatawag na Wall of Confusion. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, napakaganda talaga. Dito pa lang mga Kazuki, busog na yung mga mata ko. Tara, doon naman tayo sa next scenic view. Look at the crevices over here, wow.
Later that same evening.
Good evening sa inyo mga Kazuki and welcome to Las Vegas. Here we go guys. So finally, nakarating na rin tayo sa Las Vegas Boulevard. Like I told you before, last time na nandito ako is 1996. So batang-bata pa ako noon. Hindi pa ako pwede magsugal. Oh, kita nyo may mga show rito parang ito for Ukraine, no. Yung mga Ukrainians, mga Kazuki, tingnan nyo, meron silang mga parang parada rito. So guys, nandito tayo sa harapan ng Bellagio Hotel. Ito yung famous sa Bellagio Hotel. So every 15 minutes, 20 minutes meron silang mga fountain show dito, maganda. Na-miss ko nga yung isa katatapos lang eh. So mamaya-mayang kapag madilim na, magbibideo tayo rito para makita natin kung gaano kaganda yung ilaw rito. Medyo maliwanag pa kasi, although it's already 7:15 here ng gabi. Summer dito kaya meron pang araw. So guys, ang ganda rito oh. Tingnan nyo, nandun yung Mirage. Tapos ito yung ito yung Eiffel Tower na hotel. Ayan o, kita nyo. Ano yung mga building guys? So parang ka talaga nasa France. Ito, Paris. Ito ang tinatawag na Las Vegas Strip guys. Lahat to puro casino, hotel. Yan. Ganda guys. Ito guys, dito tayo pupunta sa Caesars Palace. Natatandaan ko tong Caesars Palace na to back in 1996. So syempre ngayon 2022 na, siguro iba na yung itsura ng hotel na to. So tingnan natin kung anong bago sa loob. Alam po maganda rito, natatandaan ko eh, yung ceiling nila ang ganda, maraming design. So tara, punta tayo. Alright mga Kazuks, welcome to Caesars Palace. Mga Kazuki, gusto nyo yung chicks, ayan o, naka-bold na. O, diba? Okay, ito tayo sa loob ng Caesars Palace. Kilala nyo ba yan? Si Gordon Ramsay, meron siyang restaurant dito. We are here now mga Kazuki. Look, tingnan nyo, ito yung sinasabi ko, yung ceiling oh. Ang ganda no? Ang ganda ng art. Diba guys? Tingnan nyo mga high-end shopping area. YSL, Jimmy Choo, Burberry, Tom Ford. So hindi pa rin siya nagbago mga Kazuki, ganun pa rin.
So,
Are you enjoying your
what's
day?
up? No, I hate it.
I hate you.
It's
Why?
been a horrible day. But I made 200K today.
You're gonna win tonight, definitely. At tingnan nyo guys, oh. Oh, diba mukhang totoo, oh, mga Kazuki, look. Ang maganda rito, nag-iiba yung ilaw. Minsan araw siya, minsan ganito, parang sunset na. And maganda dito, dati dito nagtatrabaho yung tita ko eh. Kaya ako alam itong lugar na to. Fountain of the Gods. Woo! Tag Heuer Carmines. Oh, Carmines, established in New York City. Cool. Ganda na ito mga Kazuki, oh. Ito yung relo ni Floyd Mayweather, Hublot. Isel nito $100,000 lang naman. Kaya kung kaya nyo, bili na kayo.
Day 3.
Welcome to day 3 sa ating travel vlog. So ngayon, papunta kami ng Hoover Dam. So ito yung first stop namin. Meron kami nakitang scenic view. So ito yung kanyang ito yung makikita rito guys. Tingnan nyo.
There you go. Or bring her next to the yeah, I'll take a picture of you guys for that.
Ang ganda guys, oh. May tubig din pala rito sa Nevada. Akala ko puro desierto lang. So ang tawag dito is Lake Mead Reservoir. Kita nyo mga Kazuki, nasa gilid kami ng bundok. Bundok na bato.
15 minutes later.
Alright mga Kazuki, nakarating na rin tayo sa Hoover Dam. Itong nakikita nyo sa harap mga Kazuki, Nevada yan. Tapos nandito tayo ngayon sa Arizona side. Ito Arizona to guys. Look, tingnan nyo, oh. Yan. Arizona, Nevada side. Ito pala yung famous view ng Hoover Dam. Ito yung palagi ko nakikita sa TV. Ayan, ang ganda guys, oh. Kita nyo, ito yung nagsusupply ng tubig sa buong state ng Nevada. Maybe sa Arizona na rin, oh. Ang laki nito guys, ang lawak. Nandito tayo sa bridge ng Hoover Dam, lumalakad. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Tapos ang weird nito guys, dito sa Arizona side, ito yung banyo ng mga babae. So ito guys, no. Tapos yung banyo ng lalaki guys, nandoon sa Nevada side. So doon tayo pupunta para jumingle. So guys, ito naman yung bathroom para sa men's, Nevada side. So ito yung Nevada, Arizona. Look, sombrero, t-shirt, meron silang mga sando, scarf, at syempre marami pang iba. So ang binili ko na lang sticker, at least yun $3 lang. Yun naman gusto ko kasi ang plano ko is pinupuno ko yung luggage ko ng mga sticker. Kung saan ako nagpupunta, dinidikit ko sa luggage ko. Para souvenir ba, di ba? Para nabibilang ko kung gano'n nakarami yung napupuntahan ko. So guys, ito yung mga stickers na souvenirs ng mga pinagpilian ko.
A few moments later.
Kado mainit. Dahil tsaka nakagutom. Hanap muna tayo ng makakainan, gas station, and then we're gonna go to our next destination. Oh wow, sarap ang lamig.
3 hours later.
So guys, nandito ngayon sa In-N-Out Burger. So first time namin kakain ito. Wala kasi sa East Coast ito eh. So tingnan natin kung masama talaga siya.
1 hour later.
Guys, ang sarap pala ng In-N-Out Burgers. It's first time kumain dito. Nakadalawang hamburger ako tsaka fries. Ganun kasarap.
Day 4.
Good morning mga Kazuki and welcome back to our travel vlog. So kahapon hindi na kami nakarating sa Grand Canyon, so ginabi na kami. Dito na kami nag-stay sa motel na to. I don't know kung nasa na kami, pero I know mga 20 miles away na lang kami sa Grand Canyon. So it's not too bad. It's a very cozy cabin motel. I like it. So nag-check out na kami at magbe-breakfast lang kami, and then we're gonna go ahead to drive over the Grand Canyon. And just like that, breakfast is served, guys. So I got the pancake, sausage patties, sunny side up, and hash brown. Alright, bon appetit!
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so finally nakarating na rin tayo dito sa entrance ng Grand Canyon. May entrance siya, it's $35. Medyo mahal pero sana okay yung facility niya, malinis. Yeah. So nag-check-in na lang kami kagabi kasi late na kami dumating dito eh. So tara, tingnan natin kung ano yung may offer ng Grand Canyon para sa atin.
A few moments later.
This is the most beautiful place I've ever seen in my life. Wow! Super amazed talaga ako. Ang ganda! Sa picture ko lang nakikita to, sa mga pelikula ngayon. I am here, up close and personal. It's just breathtaking. Wow. Yung $35 guys, I think kulang pa. Yung binayad kong $35 kulang pa para makita tong view na to. Oh my God. Saka makakita ng ganito sa buong mundo dito lang. Ang ganda ng rock formation niya oh. This is nature. I am so sorry kung I keep saying oh my God, talagang it's really breathtaking. Picture muna tayo. Ang ganda talaga. Sulit na sulit ang pagbisita ko dito sa Arizona. Kita nyo guys, nasa edge oh. Kailangan maingat tayo dito. Watch your step. Sa tingin ko dito, pag nakita nyo to, alam mo yung feeling na nai-love ka. Ganun ang pakiramdam ko ngayon. Napakaganda talaga rito. Parang ang sarap lumipat dito oh. Tsaka pakiramdam ko dito guys, para akong nasa ibang planeta.
3 hours later.
Guys, ito na muna siguro yung aming last stop. Napakalaki nitong Grand Canyon, hindi mo matatapos ang isang araw to. So nandito kami sa Desert View. Ito yung watchtower niya, oh. Sayang hindi kami makakakit kasi sarado, ginagawa, under construction daw. So anyway, yeah, so sana na-enjoy niyo yung travel vlog natin dito sa Grand Canyon. I think meron pa kaming isang pupuntahan, guys. So surprise lang namin kayo kung matutuloy kami doon.
One eternity later.
Oh my god, guys, we are in the coolest place in Route 66. This is historic. Kita nyo, oh, ang ganda rito. Kaisa-isang store lang yata to for miles and miles and miles away. Historic. Kung napanood nyo yung Cars movie, parang ganitong ganito, di ba? Sa Disney.
So anyway, throughout the years, they started to add on to Cool Springs here little by little, okay? In between 1940 and 1960, man, this place was very active. It was in its prime, very popular. There were 10,000 vehicles a day traveling Route 66. This was before the interstate or anything. This was a gas station, a restaurant, even cabins you could run and stay the night.
They're pretty much everything, right?
It was it was the place to come hang out. Unfortunately, in '66, it caught on fire and burnt to the ground. There wasn't really anything left. It stayed burnt down for many decades. It wasn't until 1991 Universal Studio came in, and over the rubble of this burnt down building,
This building
right
itself,
here,
right? Yeah.
right where we're standing, over the rubble of this burnt down building, they made an entire movie set for the movie Universal Soldier with
Yeah.
Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Oh yeah, yeah. I remember that. Yeah.
Now, in the end of that movie, they blow the entire movie set up, and that's our claim to fame. So we would have been standing
That's the one,
in
right?
that
Yeah,
ball
yeah.
of
I
fire
remember that.
from
Yeah.
the end of that movie, literally
Yeah.
right where we're at. And that would have been the second time this building burned down in its
Right,
life.
right.
But it was cleaned up in the 2000s with pieces of the original wall and the stone pillars. The original stone pillars are built into this building and remain out there today.
So it was never damaged, or it was
not the stone
not
pillars
significantly,
or those
right?
pieces of wall.
Yeah,
Everything
yeah.
else completely burnt down. Also, the animated Disney movie Cars there.
Yeah.
That's why I said, you know what? We were in Arizona. I saw the sign Route 66. I said,
Yeah.
I gotta go here. Cool Springs.
Yes. So Cool Springs is actually Radiator Springs. They changed
That's
the
right,
name
yeah,
from Cool
yeah,
Springs
yeah,
to
Radiator Springs, yeah.
Probably so they don't have to pay us royalties.
Yeah,
or
of
something.
course, yeah.
But even though that was an animated movie, it was extremely realistic. They hired an artist to come out and draw the curves of this road and the mountains and background and landscape and the whole 9 yards. We also, if you see this photo here,
That's Tomater. Oh my
we had
god.
the
Oh my
original
god.
Tomater vehicle long before the movie ever came out, right?
Original
We
Tomater.
had the inspiration for that character. We were the inspiration.
No hood, dude. No
for that
hood.
character. And I guess after Cars came out and gained in popularity, one day someone snuck up here and stole it. Tomater's gone.
Really? Oh my god.
But anyway, it's a very cool place. Tons of history. We
I
also
wish you
have
guys had the
famous
real
people.
Lightning McQueen over here.
Well, you know, there are actually
Or at least a
replicas of
Disney
Tomater.
made a replica and put it over here, right?
Yes. So there are replicas of Tomater all throughout, like Arizona.
Yeah, is that a Ford or a Chevy? The Tomater, the original
I think
Tomater. It's a Ford, right? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Very.
You know,
neat spot.
I never would have thought that I would be driving here and see this in actual person with my own eyes.
A lot of people just drive right by. I
Yeah.
think you're the 17th car to stop
Today, first time.
Yeah,
First
and
time.
imagine
also.
back then there were 10,000 vehicles a day. Like, it sucks.
Yeah, I think they should
But if you'd have driven
advertise
right by, you
this
never would've
more.
known.
To just to for the people
it's
to
word of
visit and see.
mouth. You gotta pull over and stop to come
Yeah.
in and get this kind of history and information.
Yeah, because
That's
I
how
know
we
I'm
roll.
pretty sure if a person doesn't know this, they would just
Yeah.
go straight. You know, just
But
miss this.
if you
area.
are cool enough to stop,
of course,
then you
yeah.
get all the information.
Yeah.
And we also have, you know, really cool drinks, great snacks, fantastic jewelry.
That's what we are here for, man. Souvenirs.
Known for our women's shirts,
you know what? We gotta
our
get.
signs.
We gotta get that drink. We have to. We're from New York, man. What is your name?
Jeremy.
My name is Carl, man.
Awesome.
Nice
And
to
I do
meet
a
you.
YouTube channel too. I don't know what you're
Yeah, I
doing
do
there,
my.
but,
I do motorcycle.
Okay,
vlogs.
well, shout out to Rock Farmers Off-Grid Adventures. I'll
Yes,
give you one of my
yes,
cards. You
shout
guys
out to
can
this guy
subscribe.
here, yeah.
I literally do. I've been a tour guide for many years. I'm a
Kala ko may tao sa loob. Oh my god. Nagulat ako dun ah. Tingnan nyo oh. Oh my gosh. Ito pa yung sa driver. Mukhang tulog yung driver. Tapos ito si ate. Parang mag-asawa sila. Ah, diba? Tingnan nyo oh.
Tomorrow.
Kumusta na mga Kazuki? Welcome back to my travel vlog. So ngayon, you're not gonna believe kung nasan tayo. Welcome to Hollywood mga Kazuki. Finally, narating ko na rin to. So, syempre, i-cross off na natin to sa ating bucket list. I can't believe na nakarating din tayo rito. So, like I said, sa TV ko lang nakikita to. Sa mga pelikula lang at syempre nakarating na rin tayo rito. Ang sarap dito guys, ang ganda. So ang best view pala dito sa Hollywood na to is dito sa Griffith Observatory right here. Syempre it's for the photos, it's for the souvenir. Yun ang importante sa akin. Tapos ito yung downtown LA. Ayan, itong downtown Los Angeles mga Kazuki. Ayan, syempre nandyan yung mga artista, yung mga Hollywood A-list celebrity. There you go. At saka kung nakikita nyo yung mga nandun mga Kazuki, mga mansion yung mga yan eh. Hindi ko lang ma-close up pero kanina nag-drive kami dyan. So sigurado dyan nakitira yung mga superstars ng Amerika, ng mga Hollywood stars, di ba? So ang next pupuntahan natin is yung the Walk of Fame, no? Diyan siya sa dito siya sa downtown LA. Titingnan natin yung mga stars, yung mga celebrity do sa, di ba, yung mga nilalakaran, kaya tawag na Walk of Fame. So tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Finally, nakarating na rin tayo sa Walk of Fame dito sa Hollywood, Los Angeles. Oh my god. Para din siyang kung isipin mo parang ito yung pinaka Times Square ng New York. Here in the Jimmy Kimmel Live studio. They're closed right now because it's a Saturday, so they only do this Monday through Thursday or Monday through Friday. Yeah.
Later that same evening.
So ngayon ginabi na tayo at finally nakarating na rin tayo dito sa Rodeo Drive. Ito yata ang pinaka famous na shopping area dito sa Beverly Hills, no? Ito guys, Rodeo Drive, nakikita nyo, babasa nyo, dito nagsha-shopping ang mga celebrities, mga Kazuki. So finally narating na rin natin dito. Syempre matagal na nating pinapangarap na makabisita rito sa Los Angeles, California. So ito ang part ng Beverly Hills. But then Louis Vuitton, Burberry, Christian Dior, Fendi is right there. Tapos yung Versace nandito. Meron parang alleyway dito. Tingnan natin guys, bisitahin natin. Sabay-sabay natin bisitahin to lugar na to. Tingnan nyo, parang fiesta. Alam niyo yung pinuntahan natin sa Caesars Palace? Parang ganito rin ang vibes, tingnan nyo. Parang ang pakiramdam ko indoor siya eh. Meron pang parang live music pa yata yung nandun. Pagkapalagabi rito sa LA, lumalamig din. Ito ang pinakasikat na lugar dito sa LA. Dito naman nakatira yung mga celebrities, mga artista, mga mayayaman, etc, etc, etc. So nakita niyo naman kanina, no, yung Rodeo Drive, di ba? Doon sila nagsha-shopping. So dito dito sila nakatira. Finally, Beverly Hills. Oh, may mga nagsa-selfie. Excuse me. There you go. Ang dami nagsa-selfie, oh. Lahat to mga turista, gaya namin. Beverly Hills. Nakarating din sa wakas.
The next morning.
And just like that, guys, tapos na ang ating bakasyon. Nakakalungkot man, pero syempre kailangan natin na bumalik at umuwi sa ating mga bahay, di ba? Back to normal ulit tayo. So ayan, nandito na ako sa airport. I have maganda ako ng mga 2 oras dito bago tayo lumipad. Maghanap muna tayo ng makakainan breakfast.
2 hours later.
Alright, guys,
Make sure you sit in your assigned safety
unang
pads.
flight namin is going to Chicago O'Hare.
If you have chosen to bring on 2 pieces of carry-on luggage, we kindly
Doon ang
ask that you
layover,
place
and then
that
after
second smaller
that,
item underneath the seat in front of you. Leave that overhead bin
to New
space
York
for larger
na.
items. If your larger item happens to be a rollerboard, once again, you have boarded American Airlines 1612 non-stop service over to Chicago. Once again, welcome aboard.
Alright, so we have to find our seat number. Hello, Chicago O'Hare. 3, 2,
1 hour later.
Alright, guys, so this is my last flight. So we are coming from Chicago O'Hare to LaGuardia, New York.
2 hours later.
Currently, we are off the gate, so we have no way to exit the aircraft. So at this time, again, we need you to remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, and all luggage needs to be stowed, and the aisleway needs to remain clear. We appreciate your cooperation. We appreciate your patience. Weather is not something easy to predict, and we'd like to provide you with the transportation you're hoping to receive this evening.
Okay, so narinig nyo naman, no, talagang completely cancel na ang aming flight. Hindi ko alam kung makakalabas pa kami dito sa airplane or bubuksan na yung pintuan para makalabas kami at para makapagantay ng gate or makapagantay ng bagong flight. Yeah, so dito na natin tatapusin nating vlog. Pray for us na sana makauwi na kami soon. Right, mga Kazuki, ingat kayong lahat. Ciao.